Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox fonts. We'll start by exploring the readily available options directly within Roblox Studio. You'll learn to navigate the user interface to select and apply these standard fonts to your text elements. Then, we'll delve into the more advanced process of bringing in custom fonts, opening up a world of unique design possibilities for your games. This guide will help you enhance your game's visual appeal with diverse typography. To use Roblox's built-in fonts, first, select your text label or text box in the Explorer window. Then, in the Properties window, scroll down to find the font property. Click the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of about 10 to 15 standard fonts, including popular choices like Source Sans Pro and Roboto. Simply click on your desired font to apply it. You can also easily modify the text size and text color 3 properties right there to fine-tune its appearance. Importing custom fonts requires a bit more effort. You'll need to convert your font file, usually a true type font or open type font, into a texture atlas. This atlas, essentially an image containing all your font's characters, can then be uploaded to Roblox as an image label. From there, you'll use scripting to display text by piecing together individual character images. There are also several excellent community plugins available that can significantly streamline this entire process, making it much more manageable for developers. When selecting fonts, always prioritize readability. A beautiful font is useless if players can't easily read your text. Strive for consistency across your game's user interface. Using too many different fonts can make your game look cluttered. Remember to test your chosen fonts on various devices and screen sizes to ensure they display correctly for everyone. Finally, don't hesitate to consult Roblox's extensive developer documentation and the vibrant community forums for more tips and support on font integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.